Hi, how you doing? So we're back again with another vegetarian curry. It's a vegan curry. It's delicious. We've got sweet potato, spinach and coconut. It's going to take a few minutes. It's really simple, this, and absolutely delicious. Get your rice ready. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's have a look here. All of the ingredients will be listed below in the text, by the way. So I've got some spinach here. You can use spinach or palak, which is similar to spinach. I've got about 5 or 6 cups of that, maybe more. It's going to cook right down. Sweet potato, peeled that and got that chopped into nice bite-sized pieces. There's 3 cups of the sweet potato, 400 ml of coconut milk, 1 cup of onion, a few fresh curry leaves. If you can get fresh curry leaves, they are absolutely wonderful, depending on where you live in the world. Really easy for me to get, obviously. If you can't get them, try and get some dried ones. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, the big 4, 2 teaspoons each here of chili powder, cumin, turmeric and coriander. Fresh chili to taste, up to you how much you want to put in. 2 or 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and here I've got some dried methi. Very, very distinctive flavour. That's about it. Let's get to the cooker. So I've got some oil in there. I'm using a corn oil. You could use a different type of oil if you want. We're going to start off by dropping in the cumin seeds. Now I've just put the heat on and we're on an above average heat. Then the curry leaves. A few seconds, it will infuse the oil. Then in goes our onion. Some salt. 3 minutes. See you then. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to drop in our sweet potato. And very simply, another 3 minutes on this above medium heat. Keep it moving. We're well on our way. Just 3 minutes there. These sweet potatoes are still hard. Now, sweet potato cooks faster than regular potato. Next up, we're going to go in with our spinach or palak, whatever you want, whatever you've got here. That's going to cook right down. I'm going to be turning it in the pan. It's going to be about 4 or 5 minutes, but it will cook right down. Amazing, isn't it? It just literally cooks down to pretty much nothing. Okay. Garlic ginger paste, nice tablespoon of that in there. Fresh chili, as much or as little as you like. The big 4. So you can use this or you can use a curry powder you already have. Equal parts turmeric, cumin, chili powder and coriander. Look at that, fantastic. Next up, 400 ml coconut milk. We're going to get the heat down now, so from above medium to below medium. Now, depending on the type of coconut milk you've used, you might want to add some water to it, unless you want it really thick. Right, we're going to go for 5 more minutes on a more kind of gentle heat. Fabulous. Absolutely delicious. Okay, time for the methi. Methi is fenugreek leaves. Now what you do is you put it in your hand, like so, and you rub it like that. And break it all in your hand and get it in there. Very, very pungent. Very, very distinctive. You really need to wash your hands now because that will stay on there for days. I really love it. We're going to mix that in. We're going to let it go for 3 more minutes and it's done. I'll see you at the table. And there you go. Really wonderful, beautiful vegan curry. sweet potatoes, spinach, coconut, methi. Wow, wow, wee, wow. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. I really do appreciate it. We're going great guns. We've got over 100 million views as I speak, over 500,000 subscribers. I mean, we've been going for some years now, but yeah, we're doing great. We're just banging away. Just moved house, so you're going to see a bit of a different kitchen very soon in the next videos, if not already. This might be on the end of one of the new ones. I'm sitting in a completely empty house right now, apart from this table and a couple of bits, because we've been so busy doing that. Enjoying ourselves, kids are fine, and yeah, enjoying life as much as we can. Now, if you do want to support the channel, and I really would like you to if you want, there's a link below for a PayPal account. Stick in $1,000 for me, will you? Every week, without fail. No, seriously, if you want to donate any money, even like $2, $3 or something like that, it really does help us out. We don't endorse any products. I don't sort of take sponsorship from anyone. Basically, because I don't think most of it's any good, to be honest. Not that I'm sort of not a capitalist, but yeah, if you want to donate, that'd be brilliant. Check out Rahel's channel, which is Ethiopian food that she does. She's doing great with that. All in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. Might be a bit difficult for you to watch. Chef June is obviously banging stuff out on the channel here, doing some fantastic Filipino stuff. He's also got his own channel. Again, the link's down below for that. That's it. Doing well, enjoying life. Hope you're enjoying life as well. Again, thank you so much for checking out our channel. See you later.